So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a custom sound for your TikTok edits. And it's actually pretty easy. The kind of custom sounds that you see like GD Factory clips doing. So let's get right into it. Okay, so what you are going to want to do first is look up the music and the sounds you want. So just for an example, we are going to look up the Sahara TikTok song. I'm not actually going to play it for copyright reasons. But what you're going to do, I'll just click on the song, go up to the URL, copy it, and then go over to YT-Mate. So I'm going to put in all of the links for the tools used in this video. So what you're going to want to do is go over, paste the YouTube link into YouTube to MP3, convert, okay, and then you say download, get your download right there. So then you're going to go over to your other sound that you want. So this could be from like some movie clip or something like that. So then what you're going to want to do is go over to cloudconverter.com. I'm going to put all the links in the description for you guys. So you're going to want to do MP3 to WAV. Then you're going to get your file. You're going to get this, drag it over here, go to WAV, just convert. So then what you're going to want to do is get Audacity. Now, you can also do this in GarageBand if you have a Mac, but I find Audacity to be the simplest one, and you can use it on Mac and PC Windows. So go ahead and get Audacity. It's completely free. Download it, and this is where you can really edit your audio. You can do all kinds of recordings in here. Go to your downloads. You're going to want to line up the audio from the song with the movie clip or whatever kind of combination you want to do. Very basic, kind of go through, split it up, delete it, whatever like that, and then you can add as many tracks as you want, and you can kind of move it to, move the bottom audio or the top audio to where it fits. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. After you're done with Audacity, all you're going to want to do is just export it and then edit in whatever kind of editing thing you use, whether that be CapCut or any kind of editing thing on your computer. That is how you make a custom sound. Again, I'm going to link all the necessary tools in the description. Thank you for watching.